Okay, look at the question. Our electrical field is 1 pass through a surface area. The electric flux passing through this surface. You can see there are 3 different surfaces. We will solve for each surface on the question. For question A, if the locate is in the plane of phi z. So say this is my surface. Don't forget, always surface vector is perpendicular to surface. If say this is y and z, I will show from here. Okay, say this is y z coordinate system. Sorry, this is z. This is z, this is y. So the surface vector must be perpendicular to this surface. Can you see? This one is perpendicular. So I can say the surface vector is on x coordinate system. So now for question A, the surface will be on x coordinate system. I can write with the I unit vector. The electrical field, I know electrical field is that one. Just we will find the flux. I know flux equal for symmetric surface. You can take directly like this. You don't need to take integral. So please be careful. What does it mean? This is scalar vector. Just I want to remind you for some rule for scalar vector. For example, if I divide I multiply I or z multiply z, k multiply k, you can see just we will multiply the same unit vector each other. It gives 1. If I multiply with I multiply z or z multiply k or I multiply k, you can see we multiply different unit vector by scalar vector, so it gives 0. Just I will do it for each one. We are still on question A. Flux equal, just I will use this formula, A multiply I, sorry, A multiply E. Now just I will write it, base z and multiply I multiply I. So it returns, be careful for that part. Oops. I will multiply with this one and this one. I multiply I, surface vector I plus base z multiply I multiply I. So be careful, you will multiply different unit vectors by scalar vector, it gives 0. So your result will return I multiply surface, and this one gives 1, so your result will be that one. For B, look at B. It's if you understand the question A, you can understand B easily. If it is located on XY plate sign, where is it? It's on here, so I will draw here. X is that part and Z is, sorry, X is here, Z is here. So be careful. The electrical field will be perpendicular to surface. How can I show it? Sorry, not electrical field, surface area is perpendicular to surface. So how can I write it? Like this. So x, z, it gives, of course, it will give third vector, x, z, and y. Okay, so my flux return will be multiply I multiply z, it must be scalar, so you will scalar it, you will multiply it with this one and this one. It gives az plus b z multiply a z. So you can see there are different kind of unit vectors multiplication. It gives 0 and z give 1. So your result will be BA. Okay, now we can look at the C. We can draw here, say C question. So if it's located on XY plane, say this is X part and Y part, you need to use third one. Okay, third one give your surface area. Say this is X plane, so X axis, Y axis. So third one, which is Z, gives A vector. Now I can say A vector equal A multiply K. Okay, so now I can draw every formula, electrical field and surface. It gives oops, I b z multiply a k. So you can see I multiply k gives 0 because it is difference. And look at this part, b multiply a k gives again 0 because you multiply with the different unit vector. Of course, on the scalar production you will take 0. So 0 plus 0 gives 0.